Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share this spelling book that we recently added to our homeschool curriculum. So this one is the Megawords 6. They have a couple books before this and a couple after it, but I chose Megawords 6 basically figuring that my daughter's in 6th grade and I want her to continue with spelling words till 8th grade. So there's gonna be a number 7 book and a number 8 book. This is our first year using it, but I have to say I really like it. So some of the features that I like about this book is that it actually gives you the origin of certain words. So for example, it explains that like CH is going to have the ch sound sometimes, the k sound sometimes, and the sh sound sometimes. And it will depend on if it has Greek origin or French origin. So you know how like in spelling bees, the person or the child will ask, what is the origin of the word? This actually helps them with knowing how to spell it. And so I just love that it's providing that background for her, and hopefully it will help her to remember how to spell these words. I also like that they have fun little areas like a crossword puzzle. So it's teaching her not only the spelling of these words, but definitions as well. It has enough curriculum in here to cover the year, and it's really easy to use. I'd say very self-explanatory. If you're looking for a good spelling book, I definitely would recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.